Moje ime je Ivana Čolowicz i ja sam danas vaš nastavnik. Today's lesson is the past simple tense questions and the past simple tense affirmative, negative and questions practice. Današnja lekcija je prošlo prosto vreme, upitan oblik, kao i potvrdan, negativan i upitan oblik vežbanje. We have already learned affirmative and negative sentences in the past simple tense. Već smo naučili potvrdne i negativne rečenice u prošlom vremenu. The following examples show affirmative sentences with the regular verbs. He called me last week. She traveled to Spain by bus. They played football yesterday. My mom cooked dinner. I arrived there 2 days ago. How to form questions in the past simple tense. We use an auxiliary verb did, past tense of the verb do, to form the questions. We put did at the beginning of the sentence, then a subject, and the ending ed or d we add to the verb has to be omitted. Dakle, kako formiramo upitne rečenice sa pravilnim glagolima u prošlom vremenu? Tako što na početku pitanja stavljamo pomoćni glagol did, to je prošlo vrijeme glagola do, zatim subjekat, a kada su u pitanju pravilni glagoli koji su u potvrdnom obliku dobili nastavak ed, odnosno d, taj nastavak se ovde izostavlja. Dakle, glagol se vraća u svoj osnovni oblik, to jest infinitiv. Let's read the examples. Did he call you last week? Da li te je pozvao prošle sedmice? Did she travel to Spain by bus? Da li je putovala u Španiju autobusom? Did they play football yesterday? Da li su igrali fudbal juče? Did your mom cook dinner? Da li je tvoja majka spremala večeru? Did you arrive there 2 days ago? Da li si stigao tamo pre 2 dana? Pay attention to the underlined words. Did, call, did, travel, did, play, did, cook, did, arrive. These are yes-no questions because the answers to these questions start with yes or no. Ovo su pitanja na koja se može odgovoriti sa da ili ne. Now, children, write down this table and these sentences or take a photo. There are some examples of the affirmative sentences with the irregular verbs. Let's revise them. Anne came yesterday. I had breakfast at 6. The train left on time. You won the game. My mom made the birthday cake an hour ago. how to form questions with the irregular verbs. We use an auxiliary verb did to form the questions. We put did at the beginning of the sentence, then subject, and the irregular form of the verb has to be changed to the infinitive form. Dakle, kada imamo nepravilne glagole, na isti način formiramo upitne rečenice kao i kod pravilnih glagola. Na početku pitanja stavljamo pomoćni glagol did, zatim subjekat, a nepravilan oblik glagola koji se javlja u potvrdnom obliku se ovde vraća u osnovni oblik, to jest infinitiv. Dakle, glagol se iz druge kolone vraća u prvu kolonu. Let's read the examples. Did Anne come yesterday? Da li je Ana došla juče? Did you have breakfast at 6? Da li si doručkovao u 6 sati? Did the train leave on time? Da li je voz otišao na vreme? Did you win the game? Da li si pobedio u igri? Did your mom make the birthday cake an hour ago? Da li je tvoja majka napravila rođendansku tortu pre sat vremena? Pay attention to the underlined words. Did, come, did, have, did, leave, did, win, did, make. And now, children, write down this table and these sentences or take a photo. Okay, let's go on. Let's change one regular verb in the past tense with every person, singular and plural. Hajde da promenimo jedan pravilan glagol u prošlom vremenu kroz sva lica, oblike jednine i množine. The example is the verb play, and these are questions. Did I play? Did you play? Did he, she, it play? Did we play? Did you play? Did they play? And now, let's change one irregular verb. It's the verb go. The forms are: did I go? Did you go? Did he, she, it go? Did we go? Did you go? Did they go? Okay, children, take a photo. Now we have double H questions. Ovde možete vidjeti pitanja koja počinju sa upitnim rečima. At the beginning of these questions, we put a question word. It can be what, where, who, or some other question word, when, how, etc. Then an auxiliary verb did, then subject, it can be a noun or pronoun, the main verb, then the adverbs or time expressions or some other words. Dakle, na početku ovih pitanja stavljamo neku upitnu reč. To može biti what, što znači šta, where, gde, who, ko ili u nekim situacijama koga. To mogu biti neke druge upitne reči, recimo when, što znači kada, how, kako i tako dalje. Zatim imamo pomoćni glagol did, potom subjekat, to može biti neka imenica, neko ime ili zamenica. Zatim imamo glavni glagol i na kraju priloške odredbe za vreme ili neke druge reči. Let's read some examples. What did you buy yesterday? What did you buy yesterday? Šta si kupio juče? Where did they go last week? Where did they go last week? Gde su oni išli prošle sedmice? Or who did Tony and Sam visit last weekend? Who did Tony and Sam visit last weekend? Koga su Tony i Sam posetili prošli vikend? Or where did they meet 3 years ago? Where did they meet 3 years ago? Gde su se oni sreli pre 3 godine? Okay, now write down this table or take a photo. There are also short answers in the past simple tense. Here you can see the questions and here short answers. The first question, did I come? And the short answers are yes, I did, and no, I didn't. We put yes or no at the beginning, then comma, then subject. It can only be the pronoun, not the name or other noun, and an auxiliary verb in the end. If it is positive answer, we put did. If it is negative answer, we put didn't. The second question, did you come? Da li si došao? The answers are yes, I did, da jesam, no, I didn't, ne nisam. Or yes, you did, no, you didn't. Dakle, može da se koristi i ovaj drugi oblik, ali se češće koristi odgovor u prvom licu jednine. Did he, she, it come? Yes, he, she, it did. Or no, he, she, it didn't. Did we come? Yes, we did. No, we didn't. Did you come? Da li ste vi došli? Yes, we did. Da, jesmo. No, we didn't. Ne, nismo. Ili također se može koristiti yes, you did. No, you didn't. Ali se češće koristi odgovor u prvom licu množine. And did they come? Da li su oni došli? Yes, they did. Da, jesu. Or no, they didn't. Ne, nisu. Now, children, take a photo. let's go on. Adverbs and time expressions which help to recognize the past simple tense are. Dakle, priloške odredbe koje nam pomažu da prepoznamo da je reč o prošlom vremenu su yesterday, što znači juče, ago, pre, sve što počinje sa last, for example, last week, prošle sedmice, last month, prošlog meseca, last year, prošle godine, last Monday, prošli ponedeljak, i tako dalje. Then the preposition in plus year in past. Zatim predlog in i neka godina u prošlosti. For example, in 2001. And when I was. I oblik kada sam bio, to jest kada sam bila. Let's read the examples. John came home yesterday. John je juče došao kući. They arrived here 2 days ago. Stigli su ovde pre 2 dana. I saw her last night. Video sam je sinoć. We were in London in 1995. Bili smo u Londonu 1995. godine. When I was young, I read a lot. Kada sam bila mlada, puno sam čitala. Okay, children, you have been great. I hope that all the rules about questions, affirmative and negative forms in the past simple tense are clear. So, let's practice now. 1. Put the following sentences into the interrogative form questions. Sljedeće rečenice stavite u upitan oblik. A. She bought this dress in a big store. B. His friends were in London last summer. You have about 10 seconds to write the answers. Great, children. Let's see the answers. A. Did she buy this dress in a big store? And B. Were his friends in London last summer? Okay, children, let's go on. 2. Put the following sentences with the regular verbs into the interrogative form questions. Dakle, sljedeće rečenice sa pravilnim glagolima stavite u upitan oblik. A. They traveled to Paris. B. Ben arrived here 5 days ago. You have about 10 seconds to write the answers. Okay, children, very nice. Let's see the answers. A. Did they travel to Paris? And B. Did Ben arrive here 5 days ago? Okay, children, you have been great. Let's go on. 3. Write short answers. Napišite kratke odgovore. A. Did he study history? B. Were your parents at home yesterday? Obratite pažnju da odgovori moraju da počnu sa yes. Okay, very nice, children. Let's see the answers. A. Yes, he did. And B. Yes, they were. Pay attention that here you have the past simple tense of the verb to be. Let's go on. C. Did they tell you the story? And D. Was Anne at school 2 days ago? Obratite pažnju da odgovori moraju započeti sa no. Okay, and the answers are C. No, they didn't. And D. No, she wasn't. Okay, children, very nice. Let's go on. 4. Choose and write adverbs and time expressions for the past simple tense. Izaberite i napišite priloške odredbe za prošlo vreme. Okay. Think about. And the answers are last week, 5 years ago, yesterday, in 2015. Okay, congratulations, children. 5. Choose the correct verb in the past simple tense. Izaberite tačan glagol u prošlom vremenu. 1. I to the supermarket after school. Goed, gone, or went. 2. My brother a bear an hour ago. Seen, saw, sees. So choose the correct verb. You have about 5 seconds to write the answers. Okay, let's see the answers. 1. I went to the supermarket after school. 2. My brother saw a bear an hour ago. Okay, children, nice. 3. Michael visited his grandmother last night. Did, are, or does. And 4. Alex did not last weekend. Working, worked, or work. Choose the correct verb. Okay, children, let's see the answers. 3. Did Michael visit his grandmother last night? 4. Alex did not work last weekend. Okay, children, great. Let's go on. 6. This exercise is called last weekend. I will read you the sentences and the verbs in the past simple tense. The sentences are: Bobby swam at the beach on Saturday morning. Dakle, prvi primjer je već urađen. 2. His brother Sam, the verb is ride, his bicycle. 3. They, the verb is camp, in their backyard Saturday evening. 4. Mrs. Brown, the verb is drive, downtown to visit her friend on Sunday morning. 5. Mr. Brown, the verb is go, fishing at the lake. 6. They have lunch together in the afternoon. 7. On Sunday afternoon, Michael read a book about dinosaurs. 8. His mother worked in the garden. And the last one, they eat popcorn and watch TV in the evening. The verbs in the past simple tense are read, went, had, watched, camped, drove, rode, ate and worked. Dakle, izaberite odgovarajući oblik prošlog vremena glagola u zagradama. You have about 10 seconds to write the answers. Okay, great children. Now I will read you the answers. 2. His brother Sam rode his bicycle. 3. They camped in their backyard Saturday evening. 4. Mrs. Brown drove downtown to visit her friend on Sunday morning. 5. Mr. Brown went fishing at the lake. 6. They had lunch together in the afternoon. 7. On Sunday afternoon, Michael read a book about dinosaurs. 8. His mother worked in the garden. And the last one, they ate popcorn and watched TV in the evening. Congratulations, children. You have been great. Let's go on. Seven. Fill in the blanks with the past simple tense of the verbs in brackets. 1. The woman, her lunch. Eat. 2. The children, down the slide. Go. And 3. I to Paris 3 months ago. Travel. You have about 10 seconds to write the answers. Okay, great children. Let's see the answers. 1. The woman ate her lunch. 2. The children went down the slide. 3. I traveled to Paris 3 months ago. Very nice, children. And now it's time for homework. Here you have past simple tense, positive and negative sentences. And your task is to complete the blanks with the suitable forms of the verbs. You have the example, she visited her grandparents, she didn't visit her aunt. So, look at the pictures and write the answers. What they did and what they didn't do. I will read you the sentences and please write them down or take a photo. The first one. They, the verb is play football. They not play hockey. The second one. They work on the farm. They not work in an office. The third one. He wash dishes. He not wash his clothes. The fourth one. Emily clean her room. She not clean the kitchen. The fifth one. We play in the garden. We not play in the park. And the last one. Fiona cry at work. She not cry at home. Okay, children. I hope that all the rules about past simple tense are clear and that you will be very successful in this exercise. Dear children, thank you for your attention. You have been great. Stay healthy. Bye.